A shiny new barbecue. Let's check this out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is the Electactic G31 Pro stainless steel 3-burner propane gas grill. So there are 3 burners in the main grill area, and since it's the Pro, there's a bonus side burner on this side. These are 3 times 8,000 BTU, so they get pretty darn hot. And then this one actually gets up to 10,000 BTU, so it generates a lot of heat. Notice there's a built-in thermometer, which makes it really easy for you to dial in exact temperature that you want. And starting your grill is super easy. There's propane in here, so all I have to do is turn the grill. You do all 3. And then ready, just push the button and it's light. It is lit and it is warming up. I'm going to turn it off right now, but we're going to come back in a minute and we're going to grill something. But before that, let me tell you a little bit more about it. So it has that push button ignition, which is such a joy. If you're used to using charcoal and lighter fluid and matches and hoping you don't burn your eyebrows off, it's a whole different world. It is heavy-duty stainless steel. It is rust-resistant. You could be covered in snow, and you could barbecue. How cool is that? We have a little bit of cover here, but we wouldn't need to. Even if it was raining, we could be barbecuing. Probably easier to barbecue in snow than in rain, but gives you options. And then all the way down here, we have the dual brake swivel wheels, making it really easy to move it around and to push down and make sure it locks in place. And the handle is heat resistant, which is important because when this is heating up, you don't want this to be heating up too. That would be bad. And let me open it up and show you. So it has a removable grease tray, and the grates can come out. And overall, it is 489 square inches of cooking space. So it's 359 square inches here. And notice there's a top part, which is perfect for buns while your hamburgers are cooking here. And then over here on the side is an additional 130 square inches. So I'm not sure we should be counting that as part of the square inches of this thing, but suffice to say, it gives you a lot of space and a lot of choices. I think you could easily cook for 6 with this grill, or certainly for 4, even with some exotic foods. And dimensions, it's 48 inches by 42 by 20 and a half. And it's 76 pounds, so you don't want to be carrying it around, but that's why it has wheels. Now, I know one of your questions is, okay, cool, it comes in a box. How hard is it to assemble? To find out, I asked my son to assemble it. All right, well, we're gonna get some food cooking here, starting with a couple of portobello mushrooms, and then we'll see what else we can get cooking. All right, well, we have a bunch of veggies cooking away, so we're gonna let them grill for a bit, and then we'll throw on some veggie burgers. Let's see what's on the grill now. All right, we got the veggie burgers going, and those vegetables look delicious. Let's keep cooking. Well, we're almost done with our food. We have our burgers cooking and we have the buns warming up on the top grill. Now, while this is open, I do want to point out that that center griddle is not optional. This is part of the design of this particular barbecue, and the company does not make a grill option, which you can apparently replace it with a regular grill like the sides from a third party, but I'm a little surprised that you can't just have it be a grill surface all the way across. The other thing to notice while it's open is that the burners are very close to the grill. And on a lot of the barbecues I've looked at, there's more space. So this does tend to cause things to get cooked quicker than you might expect. So You will have to dial in the experience to be able to get this to give you the best results. But meanwhile, let me close this up and we'll finish up our veggie burgers. Well, here's lunch and it looks delicious. I'm eager to eat, but before we get there, let me just tell you a tiny bit more about this. I already went over a couple of the issues that I had with this particular barbecue, but otherwise, there's lots to like here. This is a really nice entry-level barbecue for someone that's not ready to go and drop $500 or more on some fancy high-end unit. There's space for all of them, right? And all this looks really good. I think we still need to work a little bit on finding the perfect temperature for the stuff we're cooking, but that's true of most grills. You have to sort of learn how they work and how to work with them. So that's everything here. So what we do need to talk about is we do need to talk about the price. But before we get to the price, I do want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button, hit that bell icon for notifications of my new content, and give me a thumbs up if you found this of value. Certainly hope that you did. Excellent. This is the Electactic G31 Pro stainless steel 3-burner propane gas grill, and it is $279.99, currently discounted down to $249.99 at Amazon.com. It is a really good entry-level barbecue with a lot of cool additional features like that side burner and everything. My biggest wish would be that they gave you the option of having just a single grill across the whole surface, but that's a solvable problem. Other than that, I think it's time for lunch, so I'll hope to catch you in my next video.